Now, this pandemic and shelter in place have both stripped so many people of their daily routines, leaving them at home for a lot longer than usual. Zach Verdia joins us now with more on how people are coping during this rough time period.
With so much uncertainty with the future of COVID-19, some may be feeling more anxiety and pressure than usual. But folks like those at Helen and Fairby are doing all they can to make sure everyone feels safe during this time.
And the bottom line is that everybody is under stress at this point.
The pandemic continues to leave the country at home, still uncertain for how long. Helen Fairby is doing all they can to help people through this time, offering a local health line along with COVID-19 mental health support line. Executive Director Roddy Atkins says this disruption of everyday life can be hard for most.
So the limits on our behavior and the threat of this pandemic, all of those things that we've had adapted to creates more stress for people.
CEO of Red River Hospital, John LaSalle, says his staff is also ready for whatever the pandemic throws their way.
One of the things that I tell my team is that we're in a time of uncertainty, right? What we don't want to do is for that uncertainty to turn to fear. And what we don't want that fear then very quickly to turn to panic, right? So we've been, in our organization, have been very methodic about how we roll out our protective posture.
Atkins wants people to know whatever feelings they have stuck at home, they're normal.
It creates fear, it creates some anxiety, it creates some frustration. People can get a little bit depressed, and what I'm saying is that's not abnormal. We are in an abnormal situation, and these kinds of reactions and feelings are normal.
Both Helen Fairby and Red River want people to know they have resources available and will be here through the thick and thin.
We have implemented social distancing all throughout the process, the behavioral health model, and that we stand ready to support any needs that you have.
The COVID-19 pandemic has left a lot feeling isolated, but no, you're not alone. And if you're feeling the added pressure during this pandemic and you just need someone to talk to, you can reach out to the COVID-19 mental health support line. You can find that over at Texomashomepage.com.
All right, Zach, thank you so much. And if you or someone you know needs help during this time, there are many options available still. For example, the 24/7 support, which you can reach out to, like Zach mentioned, the Helen Fairby Center hotline is also there, in the COVID-19 mental health support line. The Salvation Army also has their emotional and spiritual care hotline. That's open 9 to 9, 7 days a week. Again, all of those numbers are right there on your screen. Take a minute right now to look at each one. We'll have the rest of them over on Texomashomepage.com.